Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create this wavy braid pattern. First, set the fill to none and bring the stroke to the front. Select the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line. Press the letter V to select the line. Next, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and select Zigzag. Set size to 20 pixels, ridges per segment to 5 and points to smooth. Next, go to Object and choose Expand Appearance. Switch to the pen tool and draw a straight line starting from this anchor point. Next, copy this wavy line, ensuring that the end anchor point aligns with the horizontal line. Let's delete this line. Now move this line to about here. Select both lines, then double-click the Blend tool. Set the spacing to specified steps and change the value to 12. Click on the first line, then on the second line to create the blend. If you like, adjust the stroke weight. With the blend selected, press the letter O to activate the Reflect tool. Now press Enter to open the dialog box. Set the axis to horizontal, then click Copy. Switch to the Selection tool and drag to align it, forming a braid. Select both blends and then go to Object and choose Expand. Leave everything selected, then click OK. Let's repeat this again. Go to Object one more time and choose Ungroup All. Next, swap the fill and the stroke. Choose a different color and draw a horizontal line starting from this anchor point. And another one starting from this anchor point. Select both lines and move them slightly past the first wavy line. Select everything, including the pink lines, then go to the Shape Builder tool. Next, we'll delete all the wavy lines, leaving only those between the horizontal lines. Press and hold the Alt key to switch to the minus cursor, then click, hold and drag. While still holding the Alt key, press and hold the Shift key to erase a larger area at once. Zoom in and delete any remaining small pieces of the lines. Now select the pink lines and delete them as well. Next, select everything, open the Swatches panel and drag our design into it to create a pattern swatch. We can delete this. Now create any shape you would like to fill with our new pattern. Next, double-click the new pattern swatch to open the Pattern Options window. Let's zoom in. Be sure the Maintain Width and Height Proportions option is unchecked. Then highlight the value in the Width window and using the down arrow key on your keyboard, adjust the distance. Switch to the Selection tool and click outside the pattern to exit pattern editing mode. To adjust the size of the pattern, first select it. Press S for the Scale tool, then hit Enter to open the Options window. Make sure Transform Objects is unchecked. Then highlight the value in the Uniform field and adjust it to your desired setting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.